Part 1 is supposed to be the easier one, and to be very honest, the part 1 first topic is among the easiest. So now we will begin with the first explanation topic. A die about this is about sample spaces, subsets, basically about probability. Though they have told define sample spaces, these are the questions mentioned. Find the probability of each outcome. Now, before we start with probability, let us understand what is probability. Probability is chance, or predicting or modeling something that can happen anytime in random. So you might have heard in the weather forecast, say there is 20% of chance, there's 20% chance of rain. So this is a probability given. So the odds are 1 out of 5, that is 20%. So it's very low, but still there's a chance that it might happen. Whereas 80% chances that it's not going to rain. Modeling stuff like this is probability, what's going to happen. Now over here we have a die is rolled. Find the probability of each outcome. So what is a die? Die is like a cube, it'll have 1, 2, 3, all that, numbers on each side of it. There are 6 faces of a die, 6 faces. It's from 1 to 6. So now probability generally is given by this. Favorable outcomes divided by the total outcomes. Or you can write desired outcomes, anything. Whatever that makes you remember. What is favorable? Now imagine you want to get a 6 in the die. Like it has to be absolutely a 6 itself. So how many total possibilities are there in a die? That is 6 possibilities. There are 6 sides, 6 faces, so 6. Now I want this exact number 6, otherwise I'm not going to win it. So that means there is only one side with a 6 digit in it, right? So that is only one favorable possibility. So 1, but there are totally 6. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. So this would be 1 by 6. Now let's see over here. What they have asked is greater than 1. What does that mean? There are 6 digits in the die. I need all the digits more than 1. So excluding 1, I need 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only this is excluded. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 favorable outcomes are possible. And what is the total outcomes including this? There are 6. So 5 by 6 is the answer. What about the odd digits? Odd digits, how many odd digits are there? Let's see over here. Now there is 1 over here, 3 and 5. There are 3 odd numbers. They are the favorable ones because we need the probability of odd. But what are the total possibilities? When you roll a die, anything can fall in this. So there are 6 possibilities, total possibilities. Same way, less than 2. What is less than 2? It's less than, not less than or equal to. So less than 2 would be only 1. So 1 possibility out of 6. And lastly, 1 or 6. So it's either 1 or 6. That is 2 out of 6. So we have to just solve them and you will get the answers. Now let's look into the answers. Over here you can see it's 5 by 6 or 83%. What does that mean? Let's see over here. This basically means 5 divided by 6. Or if you want in terms of percentage, you have to just multiply by 100. It is 83.33%. Now same thing over here, you can just reduce them. 3 divided by 6 will be 1 half. And that's the answer, is 50%. 1 by 6 or 17%. You can just put in the calculator. Or if you can just do this. Say 1 divided by 6. And press this SD, you will get 0.1667. What you can do is you can just move this by 2 digits. It's 16.7% or 17%. Now, what is this exactly percent if you're wondering? Percent means per, P-E-R, cent. What does this mean? Cent is generally, 100 cents make a pound. So cents mean 100, okay, the cent. Percent means if you have the 17%, 17 per is always division, by 100. This is what it exactly means. Now, if you see any weight, I have 10% chance that I will win. That means 10 divided by 100. That means there is a chance of 10 out of 100 or 1 by 10. Now, over here, 83, let's say 50%. 50% means per divided by 100. That means it's 1 by 2. So that is what it means. And lastly, we had 1 or 2, so it is 2 divided by 6. 2 divided by 6 is equal to, sorry, 2 divided by 6, that, okay, something is not working. Okay, now 2 divided by 6 means 1 by 3. So this is the answers. So now we will move on to the next topic,